Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing whether or not it's possible to do a border run from Thailand to Cambodia. As of the time of this video, it does not appear so. We've done other videos on Cambodian immigration, and I urge you to check those out. But just to kind of sum some of that up, to give you a quick paraphrase, essentially, Cambodia by air is possible to get in without a bunch of the, in my opinion, pretty onerous restrictions and requirements associated with coming into Thailand at the present moment. Most notably, Cambodia has basically scrapped everything. I mean, you just arrive. I think you might do an antigen test at the airport, and that's that. On you go. You don't need all these, you definitely don't need to deal with things like the Thailand pass that folks have to deal with here. Now, that being said, Thailand's a very different jurisdiction than Cambodia, so it's not exactly comparing apples to apples, but Thailand, as we've discussed in other videos, might want to start rethinking some of these rules and these policies because other jurisdictions in the region might become heavy competition and may actually, in a relative sense, they may draw tourists away from Thailand moving forward. But that said, the reason for making this video came from a recent article. Well, I thought of making it after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Tourists Hoping to Enter Thailand by Land Should Maybe Think Again." I would definitely urge those who are watching this video go check out that article, but quoting directly, "There are no Thai immigration posts on the Cambodian border currently accepting tourists and expats, although the Cambodian government website indicates that Koh Kong and Poi Phet are theoretically available for entry into Cambodia. Visitors to Aranya Pratet crossing in eastern Thailand said that only goods transport, local farmers, tradespeople, and guest workers with work permits were being admitted." Well, on the one hand, yeah, it's not really possible, it seems, as a border run facility for foreigners here in Thailand, for Farang to be specific, to Western foreigners, if you will, to use it. In the past, to be clear, so to clarify, if you came into Thailand on a tourist visa, you might run to a border, cross over, and then cross right back over and get a new set of status, depending on your circumstances. If you had a 30-day pass, you had a 30-day visa exemption, cross the border, cross back in, you might be able to get another 30 days. So again, it depended on circumstances. That does not appear possible, but it does look like there is some movement along the Thai-Cambodian border, and that's certainly good news because going back even a few weeks ago, things appeared to be pretty well sealed off. So hopefully things are moving in the right direction with respect to getting back to where we were prior to Q1 2020 here in the Kingdom of Thailand.